The European Film Festival is typically a 3-day cinematic celebration, traditionally launching at the ambassador's residence, with cocktails and a special screening.
This is the 7th edition, and we are doing these film festivals with the purpose of supporting the Malawi creative industries, notably the film industry, but also to ensure a cultural exchange between Malawi and Europe.
This year was extraordinary. We kicked off with an inspiring screening of Bigger Than Us, a film highlighting young global changemakers, followed by an insightful masterclass. We even had a sneak peek of the upcoming film, Banjo Boys, a captivating story about the talented Madalitso Band.
As the president of Malawi Film Association, I am honored to celebrate this rich cultural exchange.
The European Film Festival transcended simply showcasing European cinema. It evolved into a dynamic skill exchange platform connecting European and Malawian filmmakers.
One can learn to be very hardworking. I know that Norwegian film 20 or 30 years ago was a bit behind, but the state has been very supportive of promoting more film producers.
We were proud to feature several Malawian films, including The Gunless Soldier and The Scare, underscoring our commitment to local talent.
To be creative in a country where you have immense poverty, where you have a big proportion of the population living in food insecurity, is life-giving. The creativity of the Malawian artists is admirable, but more than anything, their resilience is incredible. So we hope to reward them a little bit. We want to support them, and this is what we're doing with this festival also.
The European Film Festival Malawi has truly blossomed into a premier platform of filmmakers to interact, learn, find inspiration, and engage in cultural exchange. Attendees enjoyed a diverse range of activities, including engaging panel discussions, a live podcast, a vibrant fashion runway, and captivating live performances.
I think it's a way to open doors for the Malawian film industry to also end up out there and be more recognized.
Actually quite enjoyed the Malawian film, although it was quite short. It was very well produced, very well written, and the Danish was also quite good.
We are able to appreciate the European culture. What are the values of the European culture? That's important. But for the Malawian movies to be screened here, it's also important because actually we are also promoting our own culture, our own values as a society.
With a bit of luck, we may even make the audience see the world through a new lens, which is a common lens. And this is what is needed these days more than ever, where we have a world which is getting increasingly fragmented and yet interdependent. We need to have the same perspective to address the problems in a consistent way all over the globe.
We brought you an incredible selection of films from across Europe, from enchanting animated features to hilarious comedies, thrilling action flicks, and thought-provoking documentaries. The Euro Film Festival 2025 truly had something for everyone. We can't wait to see you next year for another exhilarating film festival.